Why you need the stock market. The stock market is not just a place for investors to make money. It is really the lifeline of our financial marketplace. For example, new companies and startups looking for a convenient way to raise money often rely on the stock market. These companies will issue shares of their stock in their corporation to the public for buying or selling those shares in the stock market. This is referred to as an initial public offering or an IPO. An IPO takes place in the primary market, whereas the stock market, where these securities trade, is considered the secondary market. The corporation will use the money raised from the offering of these new shares to pay salaries, build more factories, and grow the company.